Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will try to see new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, and Power BI and DAX and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. Okay. So for timing already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report. Okay, basically here we have the table report within this. So I have the product name and sales amount. Okay, each product wise we have the different sales. So here the requirement is I want to find the ranking for each product wise. Okay, I want to find the ranking for each product wise. So if you see here in this measure, I'm trying to calculate the ranking for each product wise. Now it is giving 1 2 3 4 5 6, but there are some cases so these two products having the same sales. Okay, so these two products having the same sales, due to that it's giving the same ranking. Again, for some other products also, for example here also same case. Okay, these two products having the same sale, so again it's giving the same rank. But as for my requirement, I don't want to repeat the duplicates. I want to break the ties. How to do that? Okay, so for that I have created another measure. So I'll try to explain. So here I have created another measure. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm trying to give the summation for each product wise. Okay, here I'm just summing the each product wise by looping under. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. After that again I'm trying to create the ranking, so by taking this measure help. Okay, I will try to show what are the steps I have followed so that we can understand easily. First we will try to see this measure. Okay, ranking. So click on ranking, so try to zoom it so that we can see clearly. So basically here I have declared one variable, so I'm trying to generate the ranking for each product wise. So while returning if any total sales greater than 0, it means that what are the products having sales, only I'm generating ranking. If the product doesn't have contain sales, I'm trying to make it blank. Okay, so likewise I have written the expression, so based on that it's giving correctly only. See, for this measure it's generating the ranking. What are the products having sales only, so it's giving ranking only. Okay, so again we'll try to see what kind of expressions I have written for this measure. Rank underscore 3. So basically here again I have declared one more variable. Here I'm just comparing the product name and I'm doing the summation. Okay, so I'm just comparing the product, again I am doing the summation. So likewise for each product I'm trying to generate the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that. So what are the products available, so I'm generating the numbers. So after that again I have tried to create one more measure. In this measure I am taking the help from this measure. Okay, so I'll try to show what it is. So click on rank underscore 1. Here while generating the ranking, so I'm just adding the rank underscore 3 divided by 100. So based on that I will get the ranking, so I will not get any kind of duplicates under. Okay, we'll try to see that. Now in this measure we will not see any duplicates. For example, so here we can see that these two products having the same sales, so 15 15, but in this measure we got 50 and 60 again. So here also same thing, so these products having same sales amount 20 to 22 ranking, but here so we are trying to break down the same ranking into different values. Here 23 24. So likewise we can generate the different ranking even though products having the same sales amount. there are some cases might will get this kind of requirement, so that's the reason I'm trying to create a video for this. So I think it helps some. So that's all for today's video. So if you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys.